Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Hurricane Match Kit. It's a waterproof matches. I'll unbox it for you. It was $2, $2.49. Comes in this cool tactical green matchbox. And it has the swiper, and when you unscrew, you get cotton, one of these, probably to start a fire, and you get the waterproof matches themselves. And this is how the matches look like. Kind of has like a smooth coating to it. And it has this long, what is this? I think this is like something to make it last long. It lasts 15 seconds. Bone up to 15 seconds. It's waterproof, windproof, good for hurricane. Waterproof case with 3 replaceable strikers. That's cool. They actually feel really nice. I'll be having this match kit in my scout bag, and my military bag, my 10 essentials, because this is really good to have. And also has some fire starter, this white. And yeah, that's about it with the review. And this is also waterproof. I don't want to test it because I don't want to waste the matches inside. So yeah, that's it for the review. I like it. Only $2. That's a good deal. Has 25 matches inside. Got it from High Syria, or whatever. I can't say the name. So yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget hit that like button. Don't forget smash that subscribe button. And see you in the next video. Peace out.